Hey guys, it's time to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Geekbench today gives a great score for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Earlier this month, the 4GB Galaxy S9 was already spotted and his big brother is doing even better. The S9 Plus scores 3775 on single core and 1924 on multi-core. With this, the flagship on Geekbench still scores lower than the Apple iPhone 8 batch. The Exynos 9810 powered Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus today sets the highest score for an Android flagship, with the new Snapdragon 845 flagship do not come close to this monster score. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus scores 3773 at single core and 1924 at multi-core, a sample score when you look at the old Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus and the Snapdragon 845 powered S9 Plus. The fast flagship of last year already scored high with the Exynos 8895 processor. The high score of its predecessor, the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, was 2159 at 7235. Looking at the available Snapdragon 845 scores of the Samsung Galaxy S9, we can now conclude that the Exynos 9810 is much faster. Of course, conclusion cannot yet be drawn with only a few scores from both processors. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus has almost no secret anymore. Roland Quandt has leaked extra images today with almost all data from the upcoming Galaxy S generation. The S9 Plus has a large 6.2-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 2960 by 1440. This flagship also has an aspect ratio of 18.5 by 9. At the front, you can expect an iris scanner with a powerful selfie camera. Inside the slim glass case, you will find the Snapdragon 845 processor or the faster Exynos 9810 processor from Samsung. The S9 Plus is equipped with 6GB of memory with a matching amount of storage capacity. At the back, we see two 12-megapixel cameras with the latest camera techniques. The primary 12-megapixel camera has a double aperture of f1.5 and f2.4. One expects a hefty 3500 mAh battery, and of course you can recharge it quickly via the USB Type-C port. So now let me know what you guys think about the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Would you prefer this S9 Plus or the regular S9? Let me know in the comments down, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the upcoming daily tech videos, and I will catch you guys next one. See you soon.